Introducing the Ingersoll Rand IQCTT-4 torque tester, a cutting-edge solution for testing and calibrating lower torque assembly tools. Designed for use in tool cribs, calibration labs, or workstations, this bench-mount torque tester offers exceptional accuracy and versatility. With its compact bench-mount form factor, the IQCTT-4 saves valuable space on your workbench and ensures a streamlined workflow. The large color screen provides clear and easy-to-read test results, menus, and traces, enhancing user experience and efficiency. Simple programming via a soft-touch keypad and intuitive menu navigation allows for quick and effortless test setup. The IQCTT-4 offers comprehensive statistical capabilities, including count, range, mean, min, max, standard deviation, cm, cmk, cp, and CPK, facilitating detailed joint analysis and decision-making. This torque tester monitors bidirectional torque, angle, time, RPM, and pulse count, making it suitable for various testing requirements. With a torque range of 0.44 Newton-meters, 3.535 inch-pounds, and an accuracy of 0.25%, the IQCTT-4 ensures precise and reliable measurements. It features a rechargeable Li-ion battery with an auto shutdown feature and can store up to 999 time-stamped readings. Onboard trace analysis and data export capabilities further enhance its functionality. The IQCTT-4 supports multiple read modes, including peak, click, pulse, or track, and offers 11 selectable units of measure. Elevate your torque testing and calibration processes with the Ingersoll Rand IQCTT-4 torque tester. Invest in precision and efficiency today.